Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today's weekly stamping collab was hosted by Judy from Judinka Nail Art, and these are the manicures we prepared. At the end, I'll have individual photos and you can find links to their videos in the description box of mine. I was wearing a purple polish underneath, but I went ahead and just covered it up with this red polish. This one is from Frederick of Hollywood and it's called Frederick's Red. And on my ring finger, I applied this one, which is also from the same brand, and it's called Starlet. I went through my entire collection of stamping plates and the only rat image I found was on this Beauty Big Bang stamping plate XL082, and they're tiny little mice or rats, or I'm not sure what they are, but I'm gonna try picking these up and stamping them on the nail. And I'm also gonna use the letters to spell out the word rat from this Corally stamping plate number 008. And I might stamp some of the images from this plate, You Are Beautiful 09. I think you can tell it's a rat. And now I'll stamp the word rat using the letters from this plate. Since I have more space underneath, I'm going to try to remove this image and maybe stamp it a little bit lower on the nail. So I'll use a piece of tape. Since the polish wasn't completely dry, it's taking off pieces of the polish, so I'll just apply a little bit more polish in that area and it'll be fine. And then once the polish dries, I can stamp the little rat image a little bit lower on the nail. For the rest of the nails, I'll just stamp different parts of this image using a gold stamping polish. I'm going to try stamping the little rat one more time. I'll apply my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. Here's the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!